Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing you something very interesting, how to make your first 1 million naira on WhatsApp the easy way. Okay, now the very first thing you need to do is to choose a niche. Now you need to niche down if you want to get results quickly. You don't want to do 5 things at the same time, 10 things at the same time. You need to pick 1 or 2 complementary niches, okay, so that you can actually focus and produce results immediately. Alright, and there are 5 basic or highly demanded niches you need to focus on if you want to make money on WhatsApp. The first is graphic design. Okay, graphic design is on the high, the demand for graphic design is on the increase. Okay, people, you can actually charge as high as 5,000 naira, 10,000 naira, 20,000 naira and more, depending on the quality and degree of graphic design your services you are offering. Okay, now the next is video ads creation. Everybody is running ads these days, Facebook ads, and people are tilting towards using videos for their ad creatives and all that. Okay, so people are looking out for who to help them create video ads, okay, with all the motion graphic stuff and the rest. So video ads creation or motion graphics or video editing is one digital skill you want to look into if you want to actually make money on WhatsApp. Alright, the next is web design. Also, a lot of internet marketers are becoming aware of the need to have a website for their businesses. Okay, people are scaling to that level whereby they have websites and all that to help them make more money online. So you can offer the service of a web designer and start making money on WhatsApp. Okay, digital marketing on the general. Okay, people want to know how to make money online. They want to know how to use digital tools and digital skills to make money. Okay, they also want to know how to market their digital skills. Alright, so you can actually offer the service of a digital marketer in training or in service, and you start cashing out. Alright, and the last but not the least is copywriting. Everything you do, every single thing you do online as an internet marketer has something to do with copywriting. Okay, for you to sell, you have to write your copywriting script or your sales copy and all that. So that requires a copywriting skill. So people might not be able to have, everybody might not be able to have that skill. So they go about outsourcing copywriters to help them write their sales copy and all that. So you can offer services as a copywriting or as a copywriter and start making money on WhatsApp. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you methods you can use to actually cash out with those digital skills. Now the very first method is to create awareness and outsource. Once you've chosen your area or your niche, once you've chosen 1 or 2 of these, okay, you can choose complementary niches. Maybe graphic design and video art creation are complementary. Okay, graphic design and web design is also complementary. Digital marketing and copywriting are both complementary. All right, digital marketing and graphic design is also complementary. All right, they go hand in hand. So once you've chosen 1 or 2 of those digital skills, the next thing you want to do is to go create awareness and outsource. Now you mustn't learn the skills. That's the first method. Okay, you mustn't learn the skills. You can decide to niche down on graphic design, then create an awareness, maybe a flyer, or you consistently create awareness on social media handles, on WhatsApp status and all that you offer graphic design skill. Then once you start getting clients or prospects, you can outsource to those who actually do graphic designing. You can outsource and you get a commission for referring. Okay, you mustn't be the one to do all of this. Okay, you can actually outsource, create awareness about the service you offer on either or on any of these. Then you can now outsource it to those who actually do this stuff. All right, so the second method is to actually learn the skill. Okay, the first method is you don't have to really learn it if you don't want to, or if you don't have the time to. You can create awareness about the service you want to offer, which is any of these. Then you can outsource to those who really offer the service and get a commission out of it. All right, then the second method is if you have the time, you can learn either of the skills. Okay, you can learn either of the skills, then you can now offer the service for monetary values. Okay, so you can learn either of the skills and offer the service for monetary values. You can charge as high as 30,000 naira, 50,000 naira, and even 100,000 naira for web designing, depending on your expertise, your level of expertise, and the client you are actually offering that service to. Okay, so you can learn and offer the service. Now the third method here is to learn the skill and sell the knowledge. Okay, apart from offering graphic design as a service, you can actually package the knowledge in the form of a course in form of an ebook, in form of a video course, and what have you, okay, and sell the knowledge out. People offer graphic design courses as low as 5,000 naira, even 15 to 30,000 naira, depending on the kind of package or graphic design package or course you are buying. Okay, so you can learn the skill adequately, then package your knowledge into a form of a course and start learning and start cashing out. All right, now what about results? Now, one problem people have with choosing a digital skill or starting out as an internet marketer is worrying about the results. Okay, people all naturally tilt towards those who have results to present. Okay, so if you don't want to be under the pressure of providing results before people actually patronize you, you can choose a skill that is not result oriented. Okay, all the skills I have here are not actually result oriented. When I mean result oriented, I mean monetary values. Okay, so the results you need in this kind of skills or digital skills, yeah, is just the result of being good at it. Okay, so you just have to be good at it. You just have to be good at graphic design. You just have to be good at video art creation for people to actually tilt towards you. Okay, unlike other digital skills or digital businesses like affiliate marketing, meaning importation, where you have to actually show your monetary results. Okay, so but in this case you don't have to show monetary results. All you have to show is your work, your portfolio, how good it is what is going to sell you out. Right, so choose any of this method I've listed and you are good to go. So if you learned something from this video, please do not to leave a comment and leave a like to this video. Thank you.